All right, now I'd like to add some histograms and actually, sorry, not histograms, bar charts. These are discrete data and so forth. And so in this case, because these numbers go from 1 to 9, the easiest thing to do is just highlight your frequency data to get our bar charts. And then however your spreadsheet does it, insert that chart. Now notice here's bar, that goes sideways, column goes up and down. Well, a column chart is a bar chart. They're bars. But anyway, so I am going to just go with that and say finish. And now this is not quite ready. I need to put titles and various things on here, but for our purposes at the moment, that's fine. And because I want to show you, whoops, going over too far. Now I'm going to put this over here, sort of out of my way, and then I'm going to make 4 more real quick. And so highlight that one, insert, chart, column, finish, and see I know which one it is because it has the trial 2 over here, and so I'm just going to move it down again, kind of out of the way, and do that 3 more times. So there, highlight, insert, chart, column, yeah, okay, finish. Move this one down out of the way. And 4th one, insert, chart, finish, and okay, there's my 4th one. And again, I'm just trying to get these things out of the way of this other stuff, and we'll see why in a moment. And so finally, that one, well, in a different video, but I'll do it in a moment. Chart, column, finish, and I move it out of the way. So there I have my 5 different charts. And in the first project we saw, and you can always go back and look at the video, but we saw how you could add those 5 charts all together in one figure, either using a table or just setting them up nicely in here to do it. But in doing some sort of control print screen, you could do that. But I would suggest, just setting up a table in your project document and pasting them in there. So as we look at it, though, we see they look really different from each other. Now it's interesting that 2 of them, this trial 3 and trial 5, really don't look way dissimilar from our theoretical, which should be straight across, right? Now this one, it starts looking pretty dissimilar because it's a blank here, blanks on the 6, 7, and 8, and tall there. That doesn't really to me look like straight across. Neither does trial 2, and neither does trial 1. So you see, they, with such small amounts of data, their frequencies, when I look at them, they don't look at all much like, on the whole, they don't look much like the theoretical population that we're working with, because that should look more like this one where it's just straight across. Again, well, unfortunately, it's not totally straight across, but not bad for a random sample. Same with this one. It's missing a number there and had 2 4s, but not too bad. So there you go. adding those bar charts in, and again, you'll want to put titles on. You know, this trial one over here, it would look better up top, and so forth. And you can do that using titles and get rid of that legend and so forth. So that's it. We've found the frequencies. We did that using the frequency command, which again I suggest you practice with small data sets. Make sure you can do it, and then from that we can just add our bar charts very easily.